Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix TikTok Ads Manager login issues, billing and access errors step by step clearly. Start by checking your internet connection to ensure it's stable. A weak connection can often cause login issues. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. This action can resolve many common access problems. If you're using the TikTok Ads Manager app, make sure it's updated to the latest version. An outdated app might lead to unexpected errors. After that, verify your login credentials. Ensure that your username and password are entered correctly. Check for any typographical errors, especially with case sensitivity. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Follow the prompts to create a new password. Once you're confident in your credentials, attempt to log in again. If you're still experiencing issues, try logging in from a different browser or device. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your current setup. If the problem persists, check for any ongoing issues with TikTok's services. Visit their official status page or social media channels for updates. If you encounter billing errors, ensure that your payment method is up to date. Access the billing section in your TikTok Ads Manager account. Confirm that all details are correct, including any expiration dates. If your account is suspended or restricted, look for any emails from TikTok. These communications will inform you about necessary actions to regain access. If you are still unable to resolve the login issues or billing errors, contact TikTok support. Provide them with detailed information about your situation for quicker assistance. Be patient, as response times may vary based on their. Following these steps should help you resolve your TikTok Ads Manager login issues effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.